Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers, and I just finished installing the seat covers on this 2017 Chevy Silverado High Country. They look sweet. We're going to check them out here, but just real quick, this is the black perforated Sof-Touch insert with the Kryptek Highlander trim. Looks great, so let's check these out. Okay, again, here's the 2017 Chevy Silverado High Country. White exterior on this High Country here, and as far as the seat covers go, we have the black perforated Sof-Touch insert with a Kryptek Highlander trim. So that middle section is a simulated leather material. So, and it's perforated. This customer has air-conditioned seats, so he wanted that airflow to come through a little bit more than some of the other fabrics that we do. And so that'll allow for some of that. And then the trim side, again, is the Kryptek Highlander. That's a 600 denier material. So that's just super durable on the trim side. There's kind of the upper view up here. Checking those out. So on this set, probably the biggest thing that stands out right now, as you can see, is custom headrest logos. So this was a logo that the customer was looking for. He wanted something with a wolf and mountains and a moon and kind of a cool setup there. Let's see if we do another close-up right there. Okay, so we worked together, a couple emails back and forth on figuring out what that would look like for him, and that's now just sewn right into the headrest there. So looks sweet, actually. Looks really cool. Okay, so there's the front row there. Again, Kryptek Highlander trim. So that's that brown. He had a lot of brown and blacks inside here. So that's why we went with that Highlander, which has a lot of tans and browns inside it. And then black insert. Matches up really well with a lot of the black that he has inside this High Country. So here's the hard console lid cover. So that's covered up here, as you can see now. So that pops up still there. There's going to be Velcro there on the underside there. So that Velcro attaches to itself. Takes a little time to kind of work that around and kind of get that position right and then Velcro it on, but not too bad. Looks nice once it's done there. And then over here on the driver's side, we have the driver's side pistol pocket. So this is the pistol pocket that can store a pistol on the inside right there, velour padding, 2 magazine slots on the outsides of it right there. And that whole pocket, that can be removed, so you can take that whole pocket off with you. So it's a completely removable pocket there. And then over here we have the driver's side pistol holster. So that just tucks in right there, driver pistol holster there. And then on the passenger side over here, we have the molly pocket. So there's the passenger side molly pocket over there. Watch our videos on those two so you can see a little bit more of an explanation on those. Before we move to the back seats, here is a shot of the airbag compatibility here. So if the airbags ever need to deploy, you can blow through this section right there, and that way you stay compatible there for the airbags. And as you can see here, there's just a nice body to the seat cover here with that horizontal sewing on it. That is because that body of the seat cover is because there's about a 1/2 inch of foam backing on the back and bottom side of these covers. So that really gives it just a much better look than a lot of other seat covers that you may have seen before. Okay, so we're going to jump around here to the back side now, show you the back seats. So here's a view of the back seats. So it's a 60-40 split bench back seat, 2 headrests, and a large armrest cup holder cover right here. So that all trims out really nice on there. Again, matching fabrics back here, black perforated insert, Kryptek Highlander trim on the back. And then also the pockets on the back of the rear seats, we have the rear molly pockets. Okay, so this opens up right here. These molly pockets open up for storage on the inside right there. So you can put items, pistols, knives, gear, dog treats, whatever you want inside these pockets. And then there's MOLLE webbing on the outside that you could hook on first aid kits, pistol holsters, all kinds of stuff on the MOLLE. So that the rear MOLLE pockets, those come in a pair, so two rear MOLLE pockets right there on those sides. Okay, and then here is the special ops package. So as you can see, right now I have a Skinny Medic first aid kit connected to it right now. That way you can just have that right where you might need it. Unzip that, have your first aid kit handy, or you can unhook these bottom pieces down here and pull that first aid kit out. Lots of uses for that MOLLE webbing. I often will carry some eye protection right back there, or a set of sunglasses, so I can just reach back when I'm in my driver's seat and reach back behind there, pull it out. I got it. And then I also always carry some paracord, and here's some paracord right there. Many uses for paracord. Okay, so that is the special ops package on the back. Oftentimes it's used for rifles. You can slide rifles through this. These pockets open up right here, so you can open that up, push the rifle through. It goes through this other side right here. Okay, opens up, goes to the other side right there. Okay, so great setup for this. Again, that's called the special ops package on the backs of those seats right there. And then let's check these out when you fold this seat up. Okay, full coverage on the bottom underneath here. So if you do have your seats up and you just want to, roll with your seats up like that, you still have coverage underneath here. That's that 600 denier material, real durable and water resistant. You have dogs in here, just easy to clean. It can be super easy to clean off. Water resistant, so it's not getting your truck all muddy, and keeps things in good shape. Same thing for that other section down there on the 40 section split. So great looking set again on this high country here. Again, this was the Kryptek Highlander trim, black perforated soft touch insert. Again, thanks for watching. This has been Neil here with Covers and Camo custom seat covers. You can see more at coversandcamo.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel to see more videos like this, other vehicles, if you want to get some ideas for your vehicle. Also, if you have questions about the custom seat covers, or if you just want to, get some recommendations on what might go well inside your truck, then give us a call at 435-789-2270, or send us an email at support@coversandcamo.com. We're happy to discuss what options might be good for you. Again, thanks so much for watching. Neil here with coversandcamo.com.